Hey everybody, it's Lonesome from Lonesome's Garage. Got a package in from DORITO we're going to open up today. Come through the mail. That U.S. mail people don't take care of nothing. We got a little hole here, hole there, great big hole here, another hole here. This corner's real. This corner's kind of rounded off here where they dropped it on the front. Hole here. But enough of that. Let's see what we got. Before I even start, I thank you, DORITO, for your assistance there in helping me get my parts I needed on this. This is for a little bill coming up. And that'll be revealed as it comes in. But we're going to get into opening this, see the status and the shape everything's in. So let's open it up, shall we? Thank you, DORITO. Let's see. There's my mask I ordered. Sticker. Got shocks. All those seem to be in good shape. Other two shocks. And shoving it on there. Brake panel. Appreciate that, DORITO. I can use that storing up. I got lights. No broken pieces. All that seems to be in good shape. Let's see what we got here. Two more lights. That'll be my front and rear blinkers. Ooh, that's slick. I like the looks of that. I like me some chrome. Appreciate you, DORITO. I do, brother. This will be handy. I like this one because it has the built-in brake switch on it. And that'll go good on a project. My A-frames are here. They look in good, excellent shape. Nothing hurt about them. Lower A-frames. That's real good. Two beams. Two more brake levers. I'm using them on something else too. There's my other lower A-frame. I like the way these A-frames are made. Pretty good shape. Lights is good, still got plastic on them. Not cracked and busted or nothing, so I'm in good shape there. My son sees this, he's gonna steal it from me. Or thinks he is anyway. The box survived. The parts survived. The box, post office is kind of rough on equipment, it looks like. Like I said, that looked like it'd been dropped on its corner. Must have been somebody too weak to hold the box up. I'm just going to give a little bit of an update there on the thing. And I want to give DORITO a shout out. Thank you for helping me out with my parts. I needed a bill coming up. Because it is going to be a necessary item. Yeah, I bought me a DORITO and LUCHACABRE mask. Let's see if I can get in here to it. That'll be good when I ride, especially this winter. Luke's mob mask. And I got I can't see my camera, so we're just getting a shot in the dark here, but there's my sticker. It's gonna go on my wall. I gotta bring that up when I get a chance. Guys, I like the way these are made and everything. I gotta get used to them. The reason I chose this, you got the upper that takes the hemi joint, and you can set everything. You get your cash and stuff on there. But this right here is going to help me out well. I need to get back into the doggone shop and get back on this stuff. Oh, he can give you instructions on ways you can wire it different ways. Cool beans. But on that note, no broken parts, no broken pieces except the box. All my parts is here, intact and in whole. I like this. James will take that away from me the minute he sees it. I may have to hide it from him. It won't do no good. Yeah, I went ahead and ordered me a Luke's mob mask while I was there. Appreciate the sticker, DORITO. Like I said, everything's here and intact and complete. I appreciate it. You rock, brother. Everybody, DORITO's got parts left. And he's needing the money on his bills and stuff. It's what he should do and sell them to be able to afford more bill stuff. If everything works out, I'm gonna be buying another set of upper and lower A-arms, long reach for some more pieces there. It all depends on how much work I got and how it goes. But on that note, have a blessed day. Old Lonesome here just wants to thank everybody for subscribing and leaving that thumbs up when you feel like it. This is still a new world to me, but I'm catching on. I've made a lot of good friends on YouTube. Met a lot of good folks on YouTube. Doug Schweiner, Retard Bubs, Chevelle, Mrs. Bubs, Chopsticks, Sweet Fan and Zena, them sweetest folks you'll ever meet in your life. They got a heart of gold. Bad out hell racing, brother. Love to meet. You rock too, brother. Mean a lot to me. Give a little shout out to Redbeard's Garage. I got to meet him up there face to face. I didn't ride none of those toys or nothing. Be honest with you, my back was hurting so bad after the drive from the night before. I was just wore down. I had the opportunity to ride anything Retard and Bubs had the opportunity to ride anything Fan had up there. They told me to get on it and ride. They even took my helmet. I didn't think I'd be hurting that bad when I got up there. But it was worth it. Tractor. let's see, Doug Sweener, they was there. Enjoyed it thoroughly, guys. Enjoyed getting to actually sit down meetings face to face and talk face to face. Give a little shout out to my wife, Mrs. Thompson's garage. She helped me get there. Lord knows she's a gift to me. Lord, there's so many people out there. Ross to be, brother. I want to give you a little shout out today. You rock, brother. Today's all guys from Carton, Mini back and Mino, Hayden and all them guys. Oh Lord. There's so many on there now. We've got, I think we have over 250 members on Carton, Mini back and Mino. If you want to check it out, you go to the Mino app, download it. You go to the search bar. We haven't been made. We have to have over 1,000 people to have our own little. But if you want to check it out, download the Mino app. There's a lot of good things on the Mino. And it's a way to reach out and touch different people. I created the Carton Mini back and Mino. And then I went over and told the guys, I said, I set us up a place. We was doing what we was doing on another amino. And I said, I've set us up one. If you want to come over and help me, we'll build our own amino ourselves. So they come over. We got it all lined in. We've got folks from all over the world on there. And like I said, we've got over 250 people on it now, and that's good for starting out. But I just wanted to give a few people a shout out this morning. That's many I know I'm missing. Catastrophic Garage. Oh Lord. My mind's drawing a blank this morning. I need to write me a list down of all this shout outs I need to give. And I want to say thank you to each and every one of you. You Dizzy, Natasha, Hazy Days. I just want to wave hand to Jones. You become my friends on there. I've been getting a little bit of work, and it looks like it's picking up pretty quick. And I don't really get on that much anymore. But I'm going to try. But on that note, I just want to say thank you there. And one more thing. Luch Mob! But thanks to DORITO and the LUCHACABRE for the parts I bought. Everything looks intact. Everything looks in great shape. Poor old box was murdered. Thank you, United States Postal Services there. But peace out, guys.